10 effective ways to lower your blood pressure. 1. Increase activity and exercise more. As you regularly increase your heart and breathing rates, over time your heart gets stronger and pumps with less effort. This puts less pressure on your arteries and lowers your blood pressure. But you don't have to run marathons. Increasing your activity level can be as simple as gardening, going for a bike ride, walking instead of driving. 2. Lose weight if you're overweight. If you're overweight, losing even 5 to 10 pounds can reduce your blood pressure. Plus, you'll lower your risk for other medical problems. A 2016 review of several studies reported that weight loss diets reduced blood pressure by an average of 3.2 mm Hg diastolic and 4.5 mm Hg systolic. 3. Cut back on sugar and refined carbohydrates. The low-fat diet included a diet drug. Both diets produced weight loss, but the low-carb diet was much more effective in lowering blood pressure. Another side effect of a low-carb, low-sugar diet is that you feel fuller longer, because you're consuming more protein and fat. 4. Eat more potassium and less sodium. Increasing your potassium intake and cutting back on salt can also lower your blood pressure. It's easy to eat more potassium, so many foods are naturally high in potassium. Here are a few, such as milk and yogurt, fish, fruit, vegetables. 5. Eat less processed food. Most of the extra salt in your diet comes from processed foods and foods from restaurants, not your salt shaker at home. Popular high-salt items include deli meats, canned soup, pizza, chips, and other processed snacks. Cutting down on, or even better, cutting out, processed food will help you eat less salt, less sugar, and fewer refined carbohydrates. All of this can result in lower blood pressure. 6. Stop smoking. Stopping smoking is good for your all-around health. Smoking causes an immediate but temporary increase in your blood pressure and an increase in your heart rate. In the long term, the chemicals in tobacco can increase your blood pressure by damaging your blood vessel walls, causing inflammation, and narrowing your arteries. The hardened arteries cause higher blood pressure. 7. Reduce excess stress. Finding ways to reduce your own stress is important for your health and your blood pressure. There are lots of different ways to successfully relieve stress, so find what works for you. Practice deep breathing, take a walk, read a book, or watch a comedy. Listening to music daily has also been shown to reduce systolic blood pressure. 8. Try meditation or yoga. Mindfulness and meditation, including transcendental meditation, have long been used and studied as methods to reduce stress. Yoga, which commonly involves breathing control, posture, and meditation techniques, can also be effective in reducing stress and blood pressure. 9. Eat some dark chocolate. Dark chocolate has been shown to lower blood pressure. But the dark chocolate should be 60 to 70% cacao. A review of studies on dark chocolate has found that eating 1 to 2 squares of dark chocolate per day may help lower the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure and inflammation. 10. Try these medicinal herbs. Herbal medicines have long been used in many cultures to treat a variety of ailments. Always check with your doctor or pharmacist before taking herbal supplements. They may interfere with your prescription medications. Here's a partial list of plants and herbs that are used by cultures throughout the world to lower blood pressure: black bean, ginger root, tomato extract. Best high blood pressure treatment program. Click link in my description to find more.